Hello subscriber. Today we are starting with a new technical video. What is the ground fault and earth fault? Before I ever starting my topic, please subscribe my channel to get the more videos like this. The hot and the neutral core in a power cable are used to supply the current to the appliance in your home. So, what about the green wire? Why it is needed? This is known as the ground and is an additional wire that is included to the safety of you and your home appliances. What are the wires in a power cable? Hot. This wire is in a potential of 110 to the 120 volts relative to the ground current flows out through this wire to an appliance. Hot is also referred as a live in our other countries are also in our country. Neutral wire. The neutral wire is in a voltage close to the equal to the ground current which flows to an appliance via a hot wire returns via the neutral core in a cable. And last one is a ground. There is a protective conductor included to the preventive shock or a fire. Ground is also known as the earth in some countries. The supply from the transformer feeding your home is a split phase, and in a USA, two hot in addition to the neutral are provided. Lower power appliances are connected between the either of a hot and a neutral. This gives a 120 volt supply to the voltage between the two hot and the 240 voltage for supplying a higher power appliances. Means if operation has been 120 or a 220, then will be this, and then the hot wires of a 2 has been connected the 240 voltage for a supplying of a higher appliances. What happened during a fault if any appliance is not grounded? If a fault occur in an external matter of any appliances will be become alive and the voltage will be respect to the other will be applying up to the 120 volts depending on which part of a internal circuit touch the casing. If the metal is not grounded and some touch the appliances, current will be travel through their body or to the ground. If they are lucky and have a rubber soled shoes and are standing out a dry floor, they may just experience a tingle section sensations. However, if the condition are damp, they have vent and the hand is standing out outdoor, they are more likely to experience a servo shock. If one hand touch an appliances and the other touch a ground object, pipe works, the pole, radiator, whatever, current will travel across the head and more dangerous serious if the person is unlucky or has a heart condition. This can be kills. Why does a current flow to the ground? The reason which is flowing at the ground is because the neutral point is a supply to the transformer is connected via ground and conductor to the ground electrode and rise the potential of a hot conductor about a 120 volts within the respect of a ground surface during a fault, or if some touch a live conductor current flowing through the ground back out to the transformer isolating safety and transformer which has sometime used in the powering tools in the constructions sites isolates the neutral from a ground so that cannot be flows at least a very little. If a fault occurs in a transformer are also used to convert the voltage to the 120 volts in a country or a 230 volts in a standard supply voltage. This reduces the current suffer level if someone experiences a shock. How does the grounding solve the problem? Grounding provides a bypass shunt or a shortcut through which is electric can flow instead of passing a current through the person who touches the appliance's wires and call the equipment grounded and conductor and EGC. A return from an electrical panel through the fixed wiring to the all socket outlets and fixed appliances such as the range of a water heater, lights, switches, ceiling fan, rose in their homes. In this case of a portable appliances in a grounding path, countries from most of our countries are a continuous from this pin in the plug through the flux, so the metal body of appliances ducts are joined in the main grounding terminal and grounding electrode conductor GEC runs outside the premises to the ground electrode and embedded in the soil. When a fault occurs and flows via a ground conductor back to the electrical panel, if a TNC or TNCS earthing system is in use, all the neutrals are connected to the ground at the joint of output and the supply meter. See the earthing system in schematic below and the so hot grounded fault of appliances electrodes and become a hot neutral fault, practically a short circuit a large our current flow and the trip of a MCB means miniature circuit breaker are possible. Also GFCI whatever act in the first for the circuit cutting power and making everything safe. Grounding, however, also another important function. Even if the current is insufficient to trip the breaker in case of a TT grounding system, the neutral conductor breaks the sum outside the home and steer the current in the neutral causes a dangerous and the rise of potential to the reduce the touch voltage between the casing of appliances and area underground of a which the person is standing to the safe level. This is because impedance of an EGC is a lot less and equivalent to the impedance of a soil between the premises and the supply of a transformer, and since the two impedances are in a series and much smaller voltage is a drop across in the ECG, then the total supply of a voltage and so the hazard is reduced. Means every you have clearly explained about their ground faults and also the advantages of a ground during the uses in appliances. Thanks for watching my video. Please keep subscribe me and support the technical engineering. Thank you.